As-salāmu ʿalaykum. As the holy month begins, all of us at the U.S. Consulate in Karachi would like to wish you a very blessed Ramazan. The United States is a country of diverse faiths and home to vibrant Muslim communities who are observing Ramazan with the same enthusiasm and gratitude as those in Pakistan. Ramazan is a time to reflect upon the responsibility we have to one another. It's a time when families gather, friends host iftars, and meals are shared with those less fortunate. Unfortunately, we can't share the same table this year, but we are together in this fight against the global pandemic of COVID. The United States has already provided $2 million to Pakistan's anti-corona efforts and recently pledged an additional $8 million, which will go towards mobile labs, emergency operation centers throughout the country, including Sindh and Baluchistan, and towards training community healthcare workers to ease the burden on hospitals. Difficult times like these remind us of the underlying message of Ramazan: to show compassion, observe charity, and advance justice and dignity for all people. These are values that the United States and Pakistan share, and we need them today more than ever. Over the past year, I have been a grateful recipient of the hospitality and friendship of the people of Pakistan. I am confident we will weather this storm together and turn our eyes towards brighter days ahead. Wishing you and your family health, happiness, and peace this season. Ramazan Mubarak.